Hey, are you tired of the high prices of red wine from Bordeaux? Well, here are 5 appellations that are bargains and delicious too. Welcome back to Drinking It In. Today we're going back to Bordeaux and we're going to talk about 5 underrated appellations that you should be drinking. There may be a bonus appellation later, so definitely stay tuned. When you think of Bordeaux reds, names like Margaux and Pauillac or Pomerol come to mind, probably. But those wines are generally costly and hard to find. But what if I told you some of the best Bordeaux reds are made in appellations most wine lovers have probably never even heard of? Holding an example here. So Bordeaux's home, we have 60 AOCs, right? So that's a lot of different places to learn about, and the famous ones dominate the conversation, right? In the articles that you may have seen in the Wine Spectator. But I lost interest in those years ago. I mean, come on, Wine Spectator, cover something new. Be better. Oh boy, I guess we won't get any sponsorships from them. There's incredible character and value in some of these lesser known areas, especially when it comes to red wine to either drink today or to store in your cellar. So today we're going to talk about 5 underrated red wine appellations in Bordeaux and that punch way above their price point. Generally, the wines are bold, elegant, at the same time affordable, and most importantly, they're delicious. Just in case you're not comfortable with Bordeaux red wine, Bordeaux reds are blends. The primary grapes are Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Cabernet Franc, generally. And the grape weighting depends on the location relative to the Gironde River. Wines that are from the left bank are generally Cabernet Sauvignon led, where wines from the right bank will have Merlot as the lead grape in the blend. So let's get into the list. Number 1, Fronsac or Canon Fronsac. So this guy is just west of Saint-Emilion on the right bank. Both of these regions specialize in Merlot with generally a splash of Cabernet Franc. The wines are rich, structured, and they're generally full of black fruit, tobacco, and spice notes. It's classic red bank Bordeaux that's underpriced and has really good aging potential. This is a 2016. We're going to raid the cellar on this one soon, probably in the next 2 weeks. Next is Castillon Côte de Bordeaux. This region borders Saint-Emilion as well, shares its limestone, clay soils. Merlot dominates here too. Remember the right bank rule. These wines are more vibrant and expressive. Still have dark fruit, but generally fine tannins. A lot of these wineries are farming organically and biodynamically, so that hard work is starting to pay off. Continue on the right bank, number 3, the Côte de Bourg. So this is one of the oldest vineyard areas in Bordeaux, and here we'll find Merlot, Malbec, and Old Vine Cabernet Franc. The wines are plush, they're dense, they're a little rustic, but in a good way. And if you're looking for a wine with a big old grilled meat or a winter stew, go with one of these. Now we're going to shift to the other side of the river, other side of the Gironde River. Next one, number 4, is Blay Côte de Bordeaux, number 4. So this region is producing fantastic red wines, again, made with Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon, generally Cabernet Sauvignon led. These are fruit forward and quite approachable when young. You can leave them in your cellar for several years, but you can also drink them today. These wines are like plums, more in the plum family, a little tartness, really nice. Number 5, Lalande de Pomerol. It's not technically a part of Pomerol, but as you might think by the name, it's right next door, right? The wines are stylistically similar, plush Merlot, velvety tannins, some mineral notes running throughout. Now, if you love Pomerol, but don't really love the price, this is a perfect switch. Hey, the bonus number 6, Montaigne de Saint-Emilion. So if you love Saint-Emilion, why not move here? It's similar to the Lalande example above, right? These full-bodied reds, age-worthy, quite delicious, and a lovely black fruit profile. That's all I've got. Now that you've got all this info and you know that Bordeaux isn't just about first grots and Grand Cru Classé, these lesser wine regions or wine appellations, they're full of personality, heritage, and bring a lot of value. So whether you're looking to stock your cellar or just looking for your next great weeknight bottle, all of these regions warrant serious consideration. I'd love to know if you guys have had any experience with the appellations I mentioned in this video, or if you have some other secret weapons that I should consider. Leave that info in the comments. One last thing, the majority of the people that watch this show have yet to hit that subscribe button, and I'd love to make a deal with you. If you could do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I will work tirelessly to make this show better and better forever. And it will mean the world to me, and it's going to be the only favor I ever ask of you. Thank you for joining. Maybe we will do a Bordeaux label decoding episode soon. What do you think?